Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tifany Faradiva. My number is 059. This time, I'm review of international journals of human research management entitled Employee Performance and the Influence of Leadership Style and Compensation. The success of a company or organization business cannot be spotted for human resource factor. Human resource management is considered very important in determining the performance of the company. To advance the company, it requires support is number 1, leadership style, and number 2, compensation. Leadership style is defined as individual characteristics, habit, ways of influencing others, interaction, position in administration, and perception of legitimate influence. In addition to leadership style, compensation also plays a role in improving employee performance by rewarding the contribution they have made. Next, research objective. The study aims to determine the influence of leadership style and compensation on employee performance in South Sulawesi Province Public Work and Spatial Planning Office. And research method. The research was conducted the Office of the Public Works and Spatial Planning Office of South Sulawesi Province. The population in the study amounted to 162 people. A sample of 62 people were obtained. The type of data used is research of quantitative data, and the data source used in this study is secondary data. The data collection method in this study used a questionnaire. And the next, result and discussion. Case study investigate the impact of leadership style and compensation on employee performance in the Public Work and Spatial Planning Office of South Sulawesi Province. This problem is the main research problem addressed in the study to investigate the impact of leadership style and compensation. Specifically, the study aims to determine the extent to which leadership style and compensation affect employee performance in this particular organizational context. By examining this factor, the research seeks to provide insight into how leadership style and compensation can influence and improve employee performance within the public sector in South Sulawesi Province. And the next solution is problem. Problem can be solved by the method of job analysis with the following steps. Number 1, identification of duties and responsibilities. Number 2, assessment of employee performance. Number 3, identification of qualification and competence. Number 4, compare the actual performance of employee with expected performance standard. Number 5, identify employee development. And research results show that number 1, validity test. And validity test, the result of validity test show that all question items on the research variable in the questionnaire are valid and can be used as a research measurement tool. Number 2, reality test. And number 3, test the normality of the probability plot. Number 4, multiple regression analysis. Number 5, partial test. Number 6, simultaneous test. And number 7, coefficient of determinant test. And discussion leadership style toward employee performance. The test results from the first hypothesis show a positive and significant influence between leadership style and employee performance at the South Sulawesi Provincial Public Work and Spatial Planning Office. And compensation for employee performance. The test result from the second hypothesis show a positive and significant influence between compensation on employee performance at the Office of the Public Work and the Spatial Planning Office of South Sulawesi Province. And conclusion, based on the result of research that has been done, number 1, partially, leadership style has a positive and significant effect on employee performance in the Public Work and Spatial Planning Office of South Sulawesi Province studied. Number 2, partially, compensation also has a positive and significant effect on employee performance in the agency. Number 3, simultaneously or together, leadership style and compensation have a positive and significant influence on employee performance. It can be concluded that this study has succeeded in proving the positive and significant influence of leadership style and compensation, both separately and together, in improving employee performance within the Public Work and Spatial Planning Office of South Sulawesi Province. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.